Hi, this is Federation Fox. Just having done the what I think what furries are to me. What is a furry? What is a furry? Anyhow, here's an example of taking a mundane task and making it fun. Yeah. Before I get started, I'm reminded of a joke that I have. It's something funny that I like. And when you go fursuiting, we don't have the best vision in the world. So, this tune keeps playing in my head. It's from a TV show, a cartoon, many years ago, when I was in my teens. And it goes like something like this. George of the jungle. You know, watch out for that tree! Yeah! Okay. Something like that. I'm sorry, I'm playing in the mirror because I want to be sure my mouth is working. I'm in the best of shape today, but that's neither here nor there. I'd edit that out, but it's not worth the time. It's just too much fun anyway. So, now, poor old Betsy here has a problem with his CD drive, but for right now I'm just going to open it up and see what kind of a mess it is in. If I could even do that, you know. I have to use human tools. You know. See, these are thumb screws, but I may have a thumb, but it's a little hard to use it. Oh dear. Yeah. I gotta use this guy. And come on off. Come on. There we go. Hey, we got one. Yeah, it's the most exciting thing in the world to do. Hey, actually it's working. Here we go. I got thumb screwing done. Yeah, thumb worked. So, I'll get it open. There we go. Yeah. And that's that with that part. See? And I probably should get it vertical. It just now occurred to me. And this is for the 2 people in the United States that have not seen the inside of a computer. This is the inside of a computer. Okay, admittedly there's a plate in the way. Did I open on the right side? I opened the bottom. This is the bottom. Okay, so I'm not the world's greatest tech. Randy. Oh. We use these computer fans in our muzzles. I forgot I could sacrifice this, guys. Yeah, sacrifice. Come on. Now we're going to open the right side. Both panels are off. Actually, when you have to take out the drive, you have to have this side available too to take out the screws. So, this is the inside of a computer with the fans. The CPU's hiding under that. The thing that makes the video go wonky. This is the stuff that electrocutes people. This is the stuff that takes. Oh no! You know, isn't this that coffee cup thing? You know, it comes out and put your coffee cup on it. Yeah, it's an old joke. Old joke. So, let's see what else we can get in trouble doing. Let's see. there we go. Yeah, I got it off. Okay, good. Feel like a kitty cat. I want to play with that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. If I remember correctly, you pull out one of these things, right? It's not needed. It just sits there. It's wasting space. Pull it out. Everything will work right, right? And so, and then we do this, and then, you know, okay. Then we try to boot it up. It won't work. Why? It's broken. This is an old I Love Lucy thing where Lucille McGillicuddy, whatever, her husband saw a loose wire in the back of the TV and yanked it, blew up the TV. Boom! Almost the same thing here. You do that. But that's, you know, some of these parts, and this is how you do it. Did I drop something? Yeah. Okay, funny or not, that's what I've done. Oh no! I gotta work on these skits. Okay, taking the mundane and making something of it. Almost as mundane. Right? Right? Pokey pokey! Pokey! Ah! Ooh, there's a hole there. Ooh, look at this. I think that's a button. Broke it, by the way. No, it came that way. It was shipping or something, and it's used, so I got a good bargain on it. All right. Fairy PC repair. Say goodnight, Gracie. And I don't have Gracie around, so I can't do that joke. So I'll just say, folks. And